Good day, everybody. We're at Phu Thok Mountain in Chiang. And Jai's here to buy tickets to get in. We're gonna have to walk up the road there and get on tuk-tuks, go up the mountain. Oh, Song Tao, that's right, Song Tao. 2-row cars. You have to walk up the hill to here, and parking is down there about where you see the first lights, and you pay 20 baht to park your car. You cannot take cars up the mountain. Okay, as it turns out, they said tickets on the internet are 25 baht per person, but when we get up here to pay, they are actually 60 baht per person. Just FYI. They have a queue lining up the Song Taos, 2-row trucks taking up the mountain. I saw on the internet it's a 9-kilometer drive up here. That's 9.4. Really a very steep drive. The mountain is 500 meters above sea level. We started out at the bottom. We climbed some already before we got up to this point, or to the pickup area. You can see down now towards town. It's kind of hard to see in the... So we're somewhere. The lights you see flashing down towards town, but there's vehicles driving up the road, so it's flashing through the trees. Phu Thok Mountain. Waiting for sunrise. I started videoing when it was still very dark. A ride coming up here. You have to ride in some towels. You can't bring personal vehicles up here. Looking towards Mekong River. You might be able to see the clouds over there that are down low. But you got to get here very early to be able to get on that lookout point over there in the center of the frame. But we didn't get here early enough. You can see looking all around here as it's starting to get light outside. There's a huge crowd up here on the mountaintop. It scatters all the way around us to the viewpoint over there. Jai is waiting on the swing here for the sunrise. He's getting close. I think it's going to take a while to get up above the clouds even before we actually see the sun. I see down below the clouds are starting to cover the valley. It's not a huge amount, but it's looking like we're not going to see the sun. It looks like the clouds are going to take over. Real bummer. Yeah, the clouds are rolling in down below. So we're going to get to see that at least. It comes in off of the river, Mekong River. You can see the Mekong River. It circles around the mountain way over there. You can see it. The clouds just are not coming in the valley for the spectacular view. As you can see, the sunrise for us is not going to happen until it's way up. The sun coming up over there is about as non-spectacular as it can be. Heck of a deal. Waited here for 2 hours to get a sunrise. I see some sky above it. Okay, we struggled to wait for the sun to come up, and it's been hiding behind the mountains. But finally you can see some of the sunrise. It's not spectacular, and the clouds down in the valley materialized just a little bit, but not that much. And you can see the Mekong River over there around that mountain in the center of the screen. see what it looks like going downhill now. We saw it coming up in the dark.
ลมแรงดีจังเปิดสนุกไหมสนุกไหมคะไม่ค่ะไม่รู้บอกก็มีลมเขา
The people that are going up now didn't miss much.
สนุกกันใหญ่เลยเนาะรถเลี้ยวเคี้ยวโคตรมากเลยค่ะไอ้ค่ะ
ใหญ่เกินไปไหม
ไม่เคย
ไอ้อย่างนี้เลยช่วงที่ฝั่งมันจะลำทาง
Very steep going down,
รอ
just like it was coming up, I guess.
เพราะว่าไม่รู้ต้องใช่แต่หนูมีคนทำยูทูบที่จะอยู่คอยหาคนค่ะจะได้ติดต่อกันได้ครับรออยู่
She hits the brakes, about throws me into jive.
พอแล้วไม่เอาไม่ไหวแล้ว
ตอนเช้าไอ้นี่แหละที่เย็นกับตอนเช้าอย่างนี้
สนุกเนาะ
คืนที่สุด
finally
We were worried about needing a jacket or a sweater up here,
No,
thinking
no
it'd get
need.
cold. We didn't need it. It wasn't bad. You come up here very early, so you can stop off and get breakfast here. You want to buy some clothing.
ข้าวเหนียวปิ้งหมูพวงเนื้อพวงนะจ๊ะ
We didn't get the spectacular view we were hoping for today. The clouds didn't cooperate with us. It's cloudy above and no clouds below, which there generally is. So anyhow, we hope you enjoy the content anyhow. It's the best we could get for you up here. This is, if you wouldn't mind, please reach down, mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
out
Out.